Okay, so let's take a look at the number that's given to us. Right, this is a number that's given to us. And plant 1's output is this. Plant 2's output is this. So we can use a vertical matrix here to represent the output of the different shifts here. 500, 700, 1300, 1900s. And you subtract the output of the second plant. Okay, so you can use the matrix subtraction to get 100. Here you're going to get a minus 500. And then here you're going to get a 700 and 300. If you add all this up, that's going to be the total difference in the output of the two different plants.